Welcome to today's tutorial on how to mix in Ableton Live. 12. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, this guide will walk you through essential mixing techniques using Ableton's powerful built-in tools. First is open your Ableton Live 12 to start mixing. This always start at drums, but you should do this before start to mixing for make you to easy to mixing the music. First is go to Audio Effect and click Utilities. Turn on the mono. Now let's start into bass sound. To mix, you just need to press is the color blue on the side of every track. It's up to you how much high or lower your preferences are. And that's it. And that's a wrap on mixing in Ableton Live 12 musical notes. You've just learned the foundations of balancing levels, shaping sound, tightening up dynamics, and giving your mix that professional edge. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more music production tips.